Hey YouTube, this is Dean making another vid. If you like my content, please consider hitting the like button. Also, please consider subscribing, as it is very much appreciated. Okay, seem to be doing a lot of these lately. I've got another one. Saw this a few weeks ago, and I thought, man, I like that. This is right outside my wheelhouse. My missus has a Civivi utility knife, and I wanted to buy one and can't buy them. My usual dealer here with Reate, Civivi and that hasn't been able to get them for a long time. Anyway, Reate, my favourite knife company, bought out just recently, bought out a utility knife, and I thought, bugger it, I'll buy one. 120 bucks, and this is it. There it is there, little gravity knife. This is modelled on their Exo, so EXO line of knives. It's a gravity knife, so basically the blade slips in and out like that, and there's a little lock here. So now the lock's engaged, the blade is fixed there, and everything's locked up, and it's locked. Disengage the blade, and the blade slides back in. Lock it, everything's locked up again. So to open it, you basically unlock it, have it slightly held down, the blade falls out, and it's a fidgety little knife, and it feels really good. It's really quick to deploy. Yeah, typical Reate fit and finish, everything is beautiful. Aluminium body, reversible pocket clip. I do think the pocket clip is titanium, not sure about that. Not sure about the pocket, the lock. Now, takes standard utility blades. The blade itself is, you just take that little clip off, the blade comes out. So fully replaceable blades. Bit disappointed it didn't come with any spare blades. That's a bit piss poor. But anyway, I was looking on Nexland Nexland site, and they sell ceramic blades. So I bought 6 UTI black ceramic G4 staged edge ceramic blades. These are 20-degree edge with a 60-degree acute angle zirconium ceramic blades. $34.41 delivered for 6 of them. These are apparently, because they're ceramic, they're hideously sharp. They are a lot harder than normal steel blades. So I am going to run ceramic blades in my Exo-U and see how I go. Now, that steel blade is really nice and sharp. It is, as all of these utility blades are hideously sharp, but I'm going to run ceramic blades in it. Why not? They're for $34 for 6 of them. I took out got some cigarette papers, and I was doing laser curls on these ceramic blades. The only thing with the ceramics is they said don't bend them, don't give torsion like this way, you'll snap them. But yeah, they are hideously sharp, and they said there are a lot of advantages to the ceramic blades. So they're a lot harder because the zircon, zirconia ceramic is like 9 Mohs, nearly 10. It's nearly as hard as diamonds. So it's far harder than steel. So their edge retention on that will be a lot better. But anyway, yeah, open length is 147.2 mils. Closed length 59.2 mils. Sorry, blade length is 59.2 mils. Ceramic blade width is 0.2 mils. Steel is 0.4 mils. Closed length is 91.5 mils. Advertised weight is 72.3 grams. I weighed 76 grams. So it's that. I got the purple, which is a beautiful purple. It is aluminium body with speed holes. You can get, because it's aluminium, they have a whole plethora of colours: black, orange, yellow, gold, whole heap of them. Purple, for some reason, just does it for me. And as I said, it's a gravity knife, so it's a little fidget toy. It's basically a fidget toy. Reversible pocket clip. I like the black with purple thing. Fantastic Reate fit and finish. Just typical Reate. Just everything speaks of class with Reate. Everything is just smooth. It's just buttery smooth. It's just a fantastic. Got a little bit of billboarding there. And yeah, I am overall, I disengaged it. Yeah, I'll have to get used to the locking system. Yeah, overall very, very happy. Came in the box, Reate box. Okay, Exo-U, material aluminium handle, speed hole purple, stainless steel blade, Reate knives. I got it through True Talent here in Australia. Came with the typical stuff. Reate knives, sticker. Do not eat that, obviously. It's for idiots. Yeah, Reate utility. There's your authenticity. Oh, okay, so the locking is aluminium and with a magnet in it. Stainless steel blade holder. Titanium spring. There's a spring in there with titanium. Spring. Clip is stainless steel. So that's stainless steel. There's a titanium spring in there somewhere. Oh yeah, I know what the spring is. That's titanium. So yeah. Certainly those ceramic blades are hideously sharp. I'm unfamiliar with the lock. I just have to get used to the lock. So yeah. Anyway, that's just my little tabletop overview of my latest Reate utility. Very cool little knife. Yeah, I still wouldn't be able to carry that. I'd still get in trouble for it, even though it is a utility knife. Yeah, and the blade is only small. I'd still get in trouble for it. So I didn't buy it to carry it. It was just for the cool factor. And yeah, only thing it doesn't have a lanyard, which I really like. I like my knives to have lanyards on them because all my knives have lanyards. But yeah, about the same size as aluminium. So yeah, about the same size. As you can see, I'm a bit of a kick on purple at the moment. So yeah. But anyway, that's my latest for the Reate Exo-U utility. U is for utility. Yeah. Not a bad little, cool little gravity knife. There it is there. And obviously I just swapped the blade for a ceramic. I can tell I am going to be fidgeting with that, and everyone's going to get the shits with me making that noise. But anyway, that's just me. Thanks for watching.